Meaning of Germanic.
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 Germanic. Germanic refers to a branch of the Indo-European language family that includes languages such as German, Dutch, and English. It is also used to describe cultural and ethnic groups that are historically related to ancient Germanic peoples, such as the Vikings and Goths. Germanic languages share many linguistic features, including a complex system of inflections and the use of strong and weak verbs. In addition, Germanic cultures often have common traits such as a warrior ethos, a strong sense of individualism, and a reverence for nature and the natural world.